Hi, my name is Zanette. I'm from the University of Marseille in France, and I'm doing my master's internship in the University of Turku in Finland. I'm working on a project with the Myanmar timber enterprise, which is the influence of the social environment on parasitic infection of calves and adults in semi-captive Asian elephants. Parasites, in particular gastrointestinal nematodes, are found across all vertebrates, taxa, and mammals. It is known that parasites have a huge role in host ecology, like fitness or health. Parasite infection is over-dispersed between hosts, shaped by environmental, parasite, and host-specific factors, and can lead to serious illness and death. In Asian elephants, previous studies showed that calves around 5 years carry the highest nematode burdens compared to any other ages, and have elevated risk of parasite-associated mortality. In social mammals, mounting evidence support the idea that the social environment also influences this dynamic. Yet how sociality shapes infection is contested. On the one hand, heightened social interactions can lead to improved individual health and fitness, which could mitigate fitness costs of higher parasite loads. Conversely, proximity to parasitized conspecifics presents cost via elevated exposure to and transmission of infection. Moreover, few studies investigate the influence of sociality on infection, considering other key influencing factors such as group composition, which leads to the question, do influencing factors such as group composition affect the individual burden of parasites? Here, we study the effect of this social environment on infection by gastrointestinal nematodes in the Asian elephant. We determined how the presence of highly parasitized hosts such as calves within working groups affected infection in other group members, specifically for other calves and adult elephants present in a group. To carry out this study, we used an extensive dataset of repeated fecal egg count measures assessed in egg per gram from non-individuals with 236 working Asian timber elephants, included 48 calves and 187 adults. Social work groups are mixed sex and age, and data contained 67 work groups with ranging size of 3 to 12 individuals. Some demographics data like ID, age, or sex have been recovered from individual logbooks. Individuals are between 0 and more than 55 years old. Accounting for differences in environmental variation and host group size, our model results explain for the tested question 1 a positive significant effect of presence of calves neighbors within a group on parasites loads in calves members of the group, and for the tested question 2 a significant negative effect of presence of calves neighbors or resident within a group on parasites load in adult member of the group. The first plot shows that single focal calves are less parasitized than those grouped with other calves, and in the second plot, we can see that focal adult in a group without calves is more parasitized than those grouped with calves. To summarize, group composition and social interactions with different demographics can vary the infection, health, and physical condition of potential hosts. We can deduce from the result of question 1 that the proximity of individuals more at risk of being infected or more infected, such as calves, can lead to increase the infection in the other members of the group, while decreases infection in adults of the group. Finally, our results provide new insights as to how group composition may interact with other aspects of host-parasite dynamics to shape infection, but also will contribute to elephant management, welfare, and well-being, all the more important as the Asian elephant is an endangered species according to the IUCN. Thank you very much for your interest.